Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kum Shibanta Jonga Jingrakhi Yaga National Sports Day Celebration. Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs Jonga Sorkar Jilla. Hagala Sngiu Blay ka Arpandai Tarik Unailar Arajar Arpuar. Kalapun Kup Burom da Kasong Pisa ya palat South Ngut ki Nongïalehkai. Haga Nongïalehkai Sports prepare. Haga Nongïalehkai kabalalong ha Usosotham Auditorium. Hagane ke jingpun Kup Burom la sakhi lang dau Chief Secretary jonga jilla uba Donald Philip Walang bat ki arngut ki Vice President jonga Meghalaya State Olympics Association ki bakentup ya ka kong mat seudor war nongbri bat S Sweat ka Director jonga Tanat Sports and Youth Affairs ka kong WAM booth ki pala IT ya ka song Pisa syaki Nongïalehkai Sports. Shuaban Pynkup ya kani ke jingle Burom lapan benaru ya ki kenhon Nongïalehkai football ki ban sami khmat ya ka jilla Meghalaya syaka Subroto Mukherjee Cup ka ban salong ha New Delhi. Kini ki kenhon Nongïalehkai football jong ki school ki pala yo ban mi khmat ya ka jilla Meghalaya ki kentup ya ka Roman Catholic Evening School mi mentudu Jowai ki ban yakun ha ka under 14 boys Kadba ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong, bat ka Yoringhep Higher Secondary School Pomlo, Upper Shillong, kila yoklat ban mikmat haga under 17, haga liang jogi shinrang bat ki kentay.
Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, first and foremost for organizing this function on this very important day. Today is the National Sports Day 2022, a day in which we remember and pay tribute to all the sports persons in the country and in the state. And what a way to welcome the day. Last night at 12 midnight, we saw something very spectacular. And that was the victory of India over Pakistan in the Asia Cup in Dubai. A beautiful way to welcome our sports day, and I would like to congratulate the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for organizing this day, and also to recognize the efforts of all the sports persons of the state. They have given their time, they have invested their energy towards their passion, towards their love in sports, and after achieving at various levels, international, national, regional, I'm happy that today the government is recognizing their achievements and giving them cash awards. I was just having a peek at the envelopes, and I was very impressed that the amount also is a very honorable and handsome amount. So you'll all be very happy, I'm sure, and you'll carry on, you'll work harder. Remember that success is never final and failure is never fatal. Therefore, work hard, work for more, and understand that this is just one stepping stone. The government is taking all efforts to ensure that we build a good sports ecosystem in the state. In the month of October, you'll be having the Northeast Festival as well as the Northeast Games, which will spread up to the month of November. And I want that all of you, those who have been awarded today, to work hard and to achieve something more spectacular during the Northeast Games. We need to collect more medals. We have always been underachievers. Therefore, in this forthcoming Northeast Games, I request all of you to work hard, to achieve hard, and to ensure that our state garner more medals. From the government, from the directorate, as an administrator, I would request them to kindly have a look at 2-3 things. One is, since we have already gone, as mentioned by the Vice President of MSOA Maswet, we have already gone with the talent identification scheme, which is being run with a private organization who have Olympians also in their midst. So it means that the identification of the sports person has been done very methodically. And I'm sure that it will lead to better prospects in the future for sports persons of the state. My request is that if the Directorate of Sports in the future can have a look at having a sort of scholarship programs for students who want to excel in sports. At the national level, of course, we have the National Talent Search for sports. At the state level also, some scholarship program for those who want to pursue sports. It's not easy for some families to go full-time into sports. The second suggestion I have is that for those who participate especially in team games, team events like football, etc., and so many that we saw today, kindly ensure that there is at least a sort of a group insurance scheme. In case, God forbid, but in case of any injuries, at least they'll have something to fall back into. So a sort of, from the government side, a premium for group insurance for all the sports lovers, for all the sports participants, especially those who are up to the national level, national competition. The third thing is that long term, in fact, with the infrastructure that we'll be having for the national games, kindly plan and think of having some good academies in various activities, various sports, after seeing doing a proper SWOT analysis, that is, analyze the strength, the weakness, the opportunities and threats of various sports, and have academies, because that will be the right legacy management of the infrastructure. Whether it is sports hostels or sports academies, please get experts to kindly have a look. It could be a badminton, it could be table tennis, it could be a football academy, but the way forward to manage all these infrastructures will be through academies. So kindly have and keep these in mind as far as the future of the state, as far as the long-term plan of the state is concerned. And I'm sure that it will benefit all the sports lovers, it will benefit the sports participants, and also those who are here, who have earned the cash awards today. Call your friends, tell your friends to participate actively in various sporting activities. With these few words, I thank all of you who have come to this very
for the Sorkar.